To change wallpaper on Google Pixel 10 Pro, you have to just click and hold on the empty space in your home screen and select Wallpaper and Style. Now as you can see, we have to go for more wallpapers, and we can actually find a lot of things. Some kind of the wallpaper studio where you can customize your photos, AI wallpaper, emoji workshop, and also some classic collections that you can find on the other Pixel phones. So I would like to pick some landscapes, and I really enjoy this specific wallpaper. Should be available somewhere here. Wait, am I blind? No, it's here. So we have to just tap on the wallpaper that you want to set. Now you have to click next and basically select where you want to apply, both on the screens like lock screen and the home screen, or maybe only in the home screen. So in my case, I want to apply on the both screens, so we have to select everything and click apply. And you can still edit this wallpaper by clicking on the home screen or lock screen. And now when you click on it just like that, so let me show you. There we go. You can actually change its position. So if you want to get, for example, maybe this part of the photo, you can for sure get it by clicking on the right upper corner. And now as you can see, it doesn't change. So we have to actually go back for this one. One more time, we have to actually apply it. So one more time, open, click to scale your wallpaper, click here, click next, and click apply. And now after a few seconds, you will successfully change its position just like this. Thanks for watching.